description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that came out of a common noodles box. Go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, meowboxjapan.com, and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a white dantan men from it's a Nissin cup noodle variety. They came out with a range of all these quote-unquote white varieties, and I thought that was kind of interesting, but that's what we have here. Perfect. And it goes for a whopping 3 minutes. So what is happening today? We got some snow, and they had a 2-hour late start getting for the kids to catch the bus. But yeah, they're on the bus. They're on their way. Ay. Kids, I tell you. Kids. They have been fighting like nobody's business, folks, and I am like at the end of my rope, screaming, yelling, fighting. It's ridiculous. It's like, don't do that. Boy, this stuff smells peanutty. Very peanutty. Yeah, we really didn't get that much snow, although then we didn't get much, but it was out there this morning. I'm like, eh. And then then it melted a little bit, then we got a little more, and now it's warm enough that it's melting, which is cool. Yeah. What else is going on today? Not a lot. Normally I'd be going out at this time to go do stuff, but walk around, but I don't know. Places I normally go don't get a lot of shade or a lot of sun, or I guess it really doesn't matter. It is not a sunny day, but last time I checked it was like 35 degrees, so it is melting what little snow we got. Who knows though, tomorrow we might get a ton more, or tonight. But when they do that, either they cancel school or they do it on a 2-hour delayed start. Make it one or the other. School or no school. Well, the 2-hour delayed start is a pain, because then they got to find something to do for 2 hours before they go to school. And honestly, that can be a little difficult. But we made it. So they are off. I am here. We are cooking. Big news today. The sanctions, or the tariffs on Mexico, have been lifted for a month. So I don't know. Don't give that guy his way. Are you kidding? Now we can go, look, see? Look what I did. Until he threatens his next trade partner. I don't know. I just don't think it's a good way of doing business. Very, mafia-like. We just watched Goodfellas the other night and watched a bit of Casino. She didn't like Casino as much as Goodfellas. I gotta agree. Goodfellas is like really, really good. Casino's good though too. More of like a really strange way. Now I kind of want to watch Godfather 2, because I like that one as well. It's almost like those two movies tried to emulate Godfather 2 in a way. I don't know. Didn't like Godfather 3. Didn't like Godfather 1. Liked Godfather 2. Anyways, that being said, here is our tantanmen, or white tantanmen noodle. Standard cup noodle. There's our white broth, I guess you want to call it. Usually it's much darker. Nutty. It's good. I like that. I'm kind of hungry. I would scarf that down right now. But I'm not doing a white tantanmen mukbang today. No mukbang today. I think I'm out of things that are mukbangable. Which is fine with me. I don't like doing those so much anymore. They're fun, but then it's like I can't eat all that and then be like, oh, now it's time for lunch, you know? It's like, it's not, generally when I do a mukbang, it's not something I would want to have for lunch. Little scallion. We'll seed it up. Pretty heavy on the seed because it's tantanmen. I'm gonna call it good on this one. I didn't make any eggs, so, and anyways, I don't think eggs would really work so well here. Wouldn't be horrible, but no, not what I'm. Yeah, just watch it rotate. That's good. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is from Nissin, Germany, out of that big old advent calendar. And this is duck flavor deme ramen. So that'll be next tomorrow. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.